Hey everyone, it's Jeremy. In this video, I want to show you how to add a YouTube video to your Legacy Spirelight website. Now in this new editor, there is a new application called YouTube Video. And previously, whenever you wanted to add a YouTube video, you would need to do so with the HTML snippet application like this. And you'd have to grab an embed code from YouTube, and then you would have to paste that in using a snippet. In the new editor, there is an application, it's an add-on application called YouTube Video. So if you haven't activated that on your website, you'll want to do that first. And you'll find that under add-ons. And if you scroll down a bit, you'll see YouTube right here. You click Learn More and then Activate. Once that's activated, you'll see that it's available under My Add-ons and under Tools. And so, rather it's here under Free. And so when you found that, you've activated it, you can then drag that onto your web page, just like this. At that point, it's going to give you a few options here over on the right. And so what you'll do is find the YouTube video that you want to embed, and then you'll want to grab this URL, copy it. And then you jump back to the website and you'll paste that right here and you'll click Set. So that's going to give you your embedded YouTube video, just like that. You can choose the size, whether you want it small, medium, or large. You can set a custom size. You can align it left, center, or right. Choose to auto start, to loop it. Those are just some other options that are available there. So once that is placed, then you can either publish, preview, check it out like this. And so you'll see that that's a little bit easier than it was before. You have a lot more control over the way that your YouTube video appears on the page. And so just wanted to point that out. Hopefully this is useful to you as you embed YouTube videos on your site.